We got it. What's happening, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Red Oak Outdoors. It's a little cloudy today, but man, it is still just a beautiful day down here in southern New Mexico. I don't have a whole lot of gear with me. I do have one rod that I do think I'll use. You know what? We'll just do it. One rod and one lure challenge today. I think that's the plan. I'm on my lunch break once again, and it's a little cloudy. We got a couple raindrops here and there, and it's just perfect time to throw topwater. So the only topwater that I have rigged up is the Googan Baits Revolver in that shattered shad color. So maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to catch something. So we're back here in the river, you know, the same spot where we've been fishing in a lot of the previous videos, but it should be pretty good. I also have to pee real quick, so I'm gonna get you guys mounted on and I will relieve myself, and then hopefully we can hook into a decent fish. So anyway, just stay tuned and we'll go from here. So one thing I love about fishing here in the river is that the topwater bite is normally really good. If you guys follow me on any social media, you guys will probably see a few other clips of some topwater fish that I've caught. I don't know if that footage will make it onto YouTube. Just from days, you know, or you're trying to film a video and, you know, just doesn't come together well. But maybe one of these days you'll see some of that footage. But as of right now, you'll just have to follow me on like Instagram and Facebook and stuff to see some of that footage. But the topwater bite has been pretty good. Caught a nice 2-pounder right here not too long ago. Now, if I had a frog or a weedless topwater, I'd fish more of this area. But as you can see, there's just a ton of weeds and algae and all kinds of stuff all along this edge. So oh gosh, let's go ahead and tighten this up a little bit. I already got a bunch of grass on our lure already. Oh, there he goes. Oh shoot. That was nuts, guys. That was nuts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was a big fish. Oh my gosh, let's get right back over here. Oh, he was coming up for it. All right, we'll come back to this spot. Like I said, I'm on my lunch break, so I can't spend too much time in one area. But that was a nasty blow up, dude. That was nuts. Yeah, down here I definitely need a frog or a weedless topwater. Oh, there's a squirrel up there. He missed it. Come back for it. That was another big fish, but he just missed it. What was the deal with that? They keep hitting and they're missing the hooks. What the heck is that? They're just hitting it at the wrong spot, I guess. Let it come up here a little bit more. We got him. Little guy. Smallest bass in this whole river, but we got him. Yikes. Yeah. Nice little largie. Beautiful little fish. He's gonna have some, you know, decent potential. Alrighty. That was cool. He hit it like as soon as it hit the water too. That was nice. Protective little male, I'm assuming. I got our revolver all dirty. Oh man. Rookie mistake. I got all kinds of dirt in my reel too. Nice. Oh, we got another one. We got another one, guys. We got another one. Oh, yeah. Right on, dude. These are the world's smallest bass. Oh my gosh. They've all moved down a little bit. Man, another small little guy. We'll just go ahead and he took off. Man, I got all kinds of dirt and stuff like that in my reel. The revolver's doing it. I mean, we've had a ton of bites. You know, several blow-ups from a lot bigger fish. But it's these little guys that are hungry, I guess. They're the ones who want it. Ooh, right through the tree. Yikes. Hung up down here. Let's run back over here. I'll try not to get it stuck in the tree. It's coming through nice. Play nice, play nice. Nice, there we go. How bad did we tear up our line? Dude, this line is nuts. This polycarbonate PP or P line. It's crazy. Super strong line. Very abrasion resistant. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on, dude. That was a good fish. moss. I need to bring my topwater box down here before they open up the river. I think this weekend is when they're going to start raising the water levels. Well guys, that's about it for today. Had a little bit of success, you know, we caught a couple dinky fish, but hey, listen, we didn't get skunked. I haven't been skunked in a while, so luckily that trend is continuing. I do just want to show you guys. Oh, I'm hooked in my shirt. There we go. I mean, these hooks are so sharp. And this is a really interesting bait, but you have to also understand too, I think a lot of the fish were trying to eat it from the face or from the front end of from that bait. So couldn't quite get the hooks, I think, on a lot of those blow-ups, but it got a lot of blow-ups. So couldn't capitalize on all of them, but that's all right. I do want to show you guys, boom, we got the kayak on the trailer because we're going to be fishing in a kayak fishing tournament this weekend. Tonight I'm going to head out to the lake, do some paddling. As long as the weather doesn't get too gross, it should clear up a little bit, but I'm pretty excited. It's going to be my first ever bass tournament. I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. I'm also really hungry. I haven't eaten yet and I have to be at work in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna get back in the truck, eat my lunch real quick, run back over to the store. Gosh, fishing was fun. I love topwater fishing. I mean, honestly, if I was more prepared, I would have brought my whole topwater box. If I knew today was going to be cloudy, I probably would have, you know, with all my buzz baits and frogs and, you know, everything else. So, but you know, I have everything at home, getting it organized and everything for the tournament this weekend, which, I mean, it's gonna be really, really great. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me during my lunch break, and I will see you guys on the next episode. We got it. That's a nice little fish. Got one. This is a good fish. Yeah, see him down there? It's a nice fish.